Welcome to Linux Help. Shell scripting. A shell script is a list of commands in a computer program that is run by the Unix shell, which is the command line interpreter. A shell script usually has commands that describe the steps, the different operation performed by shell script or program execution, file manipulation, and text printing. In this tutorial, we will see basic commands and how to create a script file and also how to create a cron job in shell scripting. These are the steps I am going to explain you. Open your Linux machine. This is my Linux machine. I installed CentOS 7. In here, I am going to execute the basic commands. First command is list the directory. It will list the directory. Next, I am going to create one new directory by using mkdir command. To create new directory, type a command. Next, switch to scripts directory by using cd command. Next, I am going to show what shell scripting we are using here. For that, type this command in terminal. In here, we are using bash script. Next, I am going to show the present working directory. Type a command pwd. This is the present working directory. Next, I am using date command to see the date. Date is April 22, Thursday, time 2:44. These are the some of the basic commands we need to use in shell script. Next step is I am going to show you how to create a script file. For that, go to terminal. In this directory, I am going to create a script file. Test.sh. .sh indicates the script file. In this file, I am going to enter some lines. Welcome to Linux Help. I am going to print this in command line. Save and quit the file. Before that, check the permission for the test file. In this test file, there is no execute permission. If we execute this file, it will not execute because we need to give the execute permission for that file. For that, type a command. Check the permission. Now the file has execute permission. To execute the file, type /file name. It will print the content of that file. List the directory. Next, I am going to create one more file, test1.sh. In this file, I am going to take the output of present working directory list and I am going to store in store.txt file. Save and quit the file. Give the permission. Execute the file. List the directory. In here, store.txt file is created. Open store.txt file. In here, we see the list of present working directory. Save and quit the file. Next step is I am going to create cron tab. Cron tab is used for automatic job scheduling. This is the syntax of cron job. Before that, I'm checking the date. Thursday, this is the month, date of the month, this is the time. Time is 2:54, 2:55. I'm going to schedule a cron job for that. Type cron tab -e in this file. First we need to enter the minute. I am entering 58. Hour, date, month, space, hour, 2, date, 22, month, 4, day of the week, Thursday, 5, command in present working directory. Save and quit the file. This is the content. We enter in cron tab. Check the date 57. Check the date 58. List the directory. In here we did a mistake. We need to create a script inside the scripts directory. Save and quit the file. Check the time 2:59. I'm schedule a time for 3:1. Save and quit the file. Check the date. List the directory. The directory I created at 3:1 with this method. Basic commands, creation of script file and creation of cron job comes to an end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.